If you're planning to attend the 2023 Global Energy Show, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From June 13th through the 15th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during the Global Energy Show exhibit hall hours at BMO Centre at Stampede Park in Calgary, Canada. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at the Global Energy Show why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the energy and power generation industry's remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.